Hi, in front of me is ASUS ZenFone 8 Flip, and today I would like to show you how you can use sound recorder on this device. First of all, go into menu and find sound recorder, then click on it. Now you need to choose allow and tap on this red button to start your recording. You can pause it and unpause it by tapping on the same one. If you wish to end your recording, you have to pause it first and tap done. As you can see, my recording was successfully added. If you wish to delete it, you can always hold it. You have to click on this little icon over here, choose delete and tap OK. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!